In 1965, the most famous man on the planet received one of the most exclusive cars ever made. A Rolls-Royce Phantom V, black, impeccable, perfect. But there was something that did not satisfy its owner. England, 1965. In the hills of Surrey, the morning's silence is broken by a metallic echo. What travels in the back of that transport is not just a vehicle. It is the new symbol of an era. A silent landing. The tires touch the gravel with the precision of a ritual. The machine has arrived at its temple. Look closely. The lines don't just cut through the wind. They cut through history.
Mr. Lennon, every detail was crafted by hand, just as you requested.
Yes. It's perfect.
For the technicians, their mission is over. They leave with the satisfaction of a job well done, unaware that the real test is just beginning.
Oh, John, it's here.
They brought it this morning. I didn't call you because I didn't want to wake you up.
It's too gloomy. I don't think I can handle it.
Well, I don't think it's that bad. Let's take a look inside to see how it is. So, what do you think now?
Oh, look. It has a luxury station.
Quite comfortable,
Oh, yeah.
but it's still a hearse.
It's a coffin with wheels.
24 hours later, the atmosphere at Kenwood has changed.
Thank you for coming. I was expecting you. Thank you for welcoming us, Mr. Lennon. I was talking to her. She doesn't think it's eye-catching enough. We want something livelier, more cheerful.
Are you sure, Mr. Lennon? Black is part of the car's identity. Changing it could have major repercussions.
Well, that's a risk I'm willing to take.
Okay, guys, you heard him. We have to take it with us.
The decision has been made. There is no turning back. Mr. Lennon had made his final decision. The black bodywork would never be used again. Back in the sanctuary of Forgotten Machine, the black jewel awaits its fate. It is a pristine piece, a testament to industrial perfection that is about to be desecrated in the name of art. The process is meticulous, almost reverential. The experts proceed to dismantle the structure, removing the chrome parts to expose the beast's skin. Each screw that gives way is another step into the unknown. Finally, the chemical agent delivers the final verdict. The liquid breaks down the last layer of sobriety. What remains is the skeleton, the color of pure metal, cold and honest. Inside the cabin, time seems to stand still under the white light. The machine, now bare metal, awaits its baptism.
Now the cool part is coming.
Order gives way to inspiration. The machine leaves the sterile confines of the cabin and enters unknown territory, the artist's workshop. Here, the rules of industry have no jurisdiction.
Hello, how are you? Guys, we were waiting for you.
Thank you for believing in us.
We can't wait to see what you have to show us.
We won't let you down.
The tools for renovation are ready. White disappears beneath a tide of gold. Yellow, the color of the sun and madness, floods the metal. The machine powers up, leaving behind its industrial pallor to embrace a new energy. Then, the stroke. The tip of the brush dances with surgical precision across the monster's skin. delicate, organic floral shapes begin to sprout from nowhere, claiming their space. Color flows like blood through the veins of the structure. Ornamental designs, intricate and archaic, intertwine in a visual choreography. The car is no longer steel. It is a garden blooming in the middle of the asphalt. But art, once liberated, no longer needs the artist. Design comes to life. Forms draw themselves, crawling along the curves of the bodywork in an autonomous and mind-blowing expansion. It is the spirit of the age manifesting itself, painting its own destiny. Contemplate the work. The rigor of metal has been subdued by the sinuosity of psychedelia. Yellow saturates the gaze, while organic forms intertwine in a narrative that defies conventional logic.
Guys, what you've done is too disruptive. I don't know how Mr. Lennon will take it.
But we are loyal fans of Mr. Lennon. We know he will love it.
If he doesn't like it, we're done for.
Hey, look, if he doesn't accept it, we promise to restore it to its original color.
All right, let's get it ready for the presentation.
The workshop is immersed in a mythical ritual. The finishing touch, a bow that does not attempt to conceal the breakup, but rather presents it as a gift to the world. But without a doubt, the night will not be the same for everyone.
How dare! Yeah! My car!
A new day dawns. The technician returns to the place where it all began. There is no turning back. The day has arrived.
Mr. Lennon. Mr. Lennon?
Hello. How are you? We're ready. Let's go.
They cross the city like two silent conspirators. Outside, the world continues to wear its gray colors and predictable shapes. Finally, destiny. The bohemian workshop where he finds his vision made metal.
Mr. Lennon, I am delighted to meet you.
Great. I'm so glad this place is amazing.
And that's nothing. Wait until I show you your renovated car. Well, let's go see it.
The moment of truth had arrived, but his reaction would be ambiguous.
There you have it.
It can't be.
For a few moments, they contemplated it. They touched the bodywork, looked at the details, but there was no apparent reaction.
So, Mr. Lennon, what did you think? Imagine all the people talking about this day. What that it means.
That means he liked it.
Hey, take a picture of us like this.
Ready?
The British artist has committed a crime against the crime, the Rolls-Royce brand, a national disgrace.
We're in the news, it
Says one of the
seems.
most iconic brands now fallen
Nothing
from grace
new, one
because
more.
of some. El reported Des, one of the most iconic brands now fallen from grace because of some troons.